let's talk about a topic, pipe and cistern, in this video. Okay. So actually, before this topic, I also made a video on a topic that is time and work. Actually, from a solution point of view, time and work chapter and pipe and cistern chapters are same. Okay. I will follow the same line of thinking in this chapter also that I used in the time and work. Okay. So please keep this thing in mind. And accordingly, you can proceed in this chapter also, right? For example, like in the pipe and cistern, in the pipe and cistern chapter, actually what happened, what can we do, in what way we can think. Like in time and work, I told you there is a person A, there is a person B. Took a concept of two-person only. Here also I will take two pipe first, then we'll proceed accordingly, right? Okay. So it's just a basic thing I will discuss, the basic scenario I will discuss in this video. Okay, later on I will discuss the tough ones. Okay. Now, if A alone can do a task in 10 days, B alone can do a task in 20 days. As I discussed in time and work, I told you now you are free to assume any kind of work, right? You can assume any value for a work. So my suggestion was always assume a work which is a multiple of 10 and 20. Why? That will make your calculation easy. You are not bounded to take LCM, but my suggestion to you, if you will take a number which is multiple of 10 and 20, then your calculation will be more easy. All right. So, like I told you, take 20 is the work. I can find out their efficiency of 1 day, 2, 1. And I told you they together can do this task in how many days? I told you they are doing 3 unit task in 1 day. So they can do this 20 unit task in how many days? 20 by 3, right? Same thing I will apply here. Let's say there is a pipe A, there is a pipe B, right? Okay, let's say there is a pipe. There is a tank here. This is pipe A, this is a pipe, let's say B. Okay. Pipe A alone can fill a tank in, let's say, 10 minutes. Okay. And pipe B can fill this tank in 20 minutes, right? Now, like there you were assuming work, you can also assume the capacity of the tank. You are free to assume. Okay. So I can assume the capacity of the tank, a number which is multiple of 10 and 20. I will say 20 unit this tank can hold. Okay. Same efficiency I will use in 1 minute. How much this uh, how much this pipe A can fill? Simple. 10 minutes means 20 minutes. So 1 minute means 2 unit. Okay, same for the B. 20 minute means 20 minutes. So 1 minute means 1 unit. So this thing we should keep in our mind, right? Now, if you will open both the pipe together, they can fill 3 unit in 1 minute. All right. Now the point is if they both can fill 3 unit in 1 minute, so they both can fill 20 unit in how much time? That is 20 by 3. And 20 by 3 minute is the right answer of the question. Can you see that language of the both the question that I'm taking from the understanding point of view is different, but I'm using the same method. So what you need to keep in your mind? The point is line of thinking in both the chapter is same. We just need to understand the data which is given in the question. Let's understand with the help of example number one. Okay. Now look at the question. What is the example number one? Example number one is if two pipe A and B, right, can fill a tank in 10 hour and 20 hours, right? 15 hours. Okay. This data is given to, let's change the color of a marker. Now two pipe A and B can fill a tank in 10 hour and 15 hours. Okay. A and B. The reason I'm using plus sign because in a tank, either a pipe can fill a tank or can there is a pipe who can empty the tank also, right? Okay. The efficiency sign will change. If filling, you will take positive sign. If because of some pipe the tank will empty, you will take the negative sign because the water is going out from the tank. All right. Now two pipe A and B can fill a tank in 10 hours and 15 hours. All right. And the next data is while a third pipe C can empty the tank in 20 hours. Okay. Question is if all the pipe are opened for 5 hours, means if all the pipes are open for 5 hours, okay, till 5 hours, and then C is closed. The find the time in which the tank is full. Basically, this is 5 hours is given to you where A and B will fill the remaining tank. You need to find out this time, right? And just add the value, you will get the answer. So what can we do? Please understand, right? Okay. If full attention is required only in one question, another question you will notice that it's easy to solve because I will follow the same line of thinking. Assume the capacity of the tank that they are filling in which they are attached is multiple of 10, 15 and 20. I can easily say it's 60 unit. Okay. I am assuming the capacity of the tank is 60 unit. What is their efficiency? Now in 10 minutes, basically in 10 minutes, 10 minute it is 60 unit. means in 1 minute, sorry, it's hour. Okay, 10 hour 60 unit. So 1 hour means 6 unit. All right. 15 hour 16 unit, 60 unit. Can I say 4 unit efficiency per hour? And it is 3 unit per hour. All right. Okay. Now these are the efficiency. Okay. Now if all the three pipes are open together, this is plus 6 plus 4 and this is minus 3. Why? Because the C is here is using to empty the tank. So if they all are open together in 1 minute, in 1 hour, sorry, they can fill how much? 7 unit, right? Now in 5 hour, they can fill how much? They can fill 7 into 5 means 35 unit. Okay. This is the simple point. How much is left? 635 is already filled out of 60, so 25 unit is left. Okay. So what can you say? Say they both A and B can fill how much? 6 plus 4, 10 unit. 10 unit in 1 hour. All right. Now 25 unit definitely will be in 25 by 10 means 2.5 hour. And this is what we need to understand, right? So 5 hour was here, 2.5 was there. So answer will be definitely answer will be 7.5 and that is my answer. Okay, so same thing I'm using, right? If your intention is to learn the basic scenario, you can learn from here, right? Let's move to the point number 2. Okay. Now here it is given to you one pipe P is 4 times faster than pipe Q. Now time is not given to you directly. Now they are talking about efficiency that we were talking in the time and work. So the pipe P and pipe Q, their efficiency is given to you. That is P is 4 times faster than Q. Okay. Definitely time is the reciprocal of the efficiency. This is very easy for us, right? Now one pipe P is 4 times faster than Q. Okay, and take 45 minutes less than Q. Definitely that we can understand one thing from here. This time and this time, there is a difference of 45 minutes. In terms of ratio, the difference is 3, right? So 1 means 15 minutes. Okay. So we can conclude one thing. This time is 15 minutes and this time is 60 minutes, right? Okay. So individually time for pipe P and Q is in front of us, right? Question is, if both the, in what time the cistern is full, if both the pipe are open together? This is what we need to find out. Now, first tell me, if you need to find out that both P and Q will take how much time? This type of question we already solved in time and work. This is what we need to relate here. If you find out time, you will calculate two things. Number A, what is the capacity of the tank? Okay. Number B, efficiency of both the pipe together, right? Now please understand. Efficiency is in front of us. 4 plus 1 is 5. What is the capacity? So for capacity, you can say P taking 15 minute, efficiency is 4. Definitely 60 unit is the efficiency we can assume. Like 1 is here, 60 will come, right? You can say 60 unit is the efficiency, right? So in how much time they can fill? So 5 unit filled in, sorry, efficiency is 5 minutes. So 5 unit filled in 1 minute. Okay, so 60 unit filled in 60 by 5, which is nothing but 12 minute, right? Then that is my answer. Okay, and this is C is my answer. Okay, that is the answer. Okay. Let's move to the next question. Now, two pipe A and B can fill a tank in 8 and 12 minutes. 8 and 12 minutes. Okay. And if both the pipe are opened simultaneously, after what time should B be closed so that the tank is full in 6 minutes? Good question. Okay. First, assume the capacity. The same thing I will say. LCM is 24. Efficiency we can easily find out. This is 3 and 2. What happened actually? What is the situation? Both the pipe are open simultaneously. A and B open simultaneously. After what time? Let's say after T minutes. B closed. Only A is running here. And tank is full in 6 minutes. This is 6 minutes, right? Can I say this is 6 minus T minute? Obviously, because total is 6 minutes, right? Now question is, you need to find out the value of T. This is what you need to find out. So what can we do here? Very, very interesting question. So you will say they together can fill how much in 1 minute? It is 5 unit, right? Okay. 5 unit means in 1 minute. So in T minute, they both can fill what? 5T. Okay. In the same manner, A can fill how much in 1 minute? Obviously 3 unit. Okay. In 1 minute. So definitely in 6 minus T minute, it can fill 6 minus T into 3. Okay. Means this is filled initially, then later on by A is this. So if you will add 5T plus 3 into 6 minus T, that should be 24 because that is the capacity of the tank. So 5T plus 18 minus 3T equals to 24. So 2T equals to 24 minus 18, which is 6. T value is 3. Answer of the question will be 3 minutes. And again, a little different question, but I'm using the same scenario. in this question too that we need to understand. Okay, let's move toward a new one. Okay, question is one pipe, let's say pipe number P. Okay, 1/4 of the tank filled in 4 minutes, so definitely full filled in 16 minutes. Okay, another pipe fill 1/5 of the tank in 4 minutes, so we can say let's say Q 1/5 in 4 minutes, so full tank in 20 minutes. Simple scenario. Question is both the find the time taken by both of the pipe together to fill half the tank. First assume the capacity. 1620 LCM will be, I believe it's 80, 16,580, 2380. Sorry, 2480, right? So this is the efficiency. Half you need to fill. In 1 minute they can fill 9 unit. Okay. So you just need to fill 40 because half of 80 is 40. So answer will be 40 by 9 minutes, and that is my answer, option number A. Okay, this is the point. Let's move toward the point number next. Okay, the next point is a pipe can empty a tank in 60 minutes alone. Okay, A can empty it in 60 minutes alone. Okay, means empty means minus sign. Another pipe, let's say pipe number B, whose diameter is twice the diameter of the first pipe, is also opened. Now this is an interesting question. Okay, now the pipe A, let's say pipe B. Okay, pipe A radius is 1, so pipe B radius is 2. Okay, if you will find out, this is, I'm talking about radius, because diameter is doubled means radius is also doubled. Actually the pipes, the end is circular of a pipe, right? Area is pi r square, means in terms of area this is pi 1 square is 1 ratio and 2 square is 4, so area ratio will be this. And you know very well, this area will represent their efficiency. If area is 1 unit, 1 unit water will come. Area is 4 unit, I will say it's 4 times water will come. Please understand. So this is nothing but efficiency ratio. Okay. And time is the reciprocal of the efficiency. This is what we need to understand, right? So here, now find the time in which both the pipe will empty the tank together. Good question. Okay. Now you will say A and B is here. Efficiency is 1:4. Time is 4:1. What we need to understand? We need to understand a pipe can empty a tank in 60 minutes, right? What do you need to understand? Now, okay, okay, okay. Now, this pipe can fill in 60 minutes, right? So definitely this is 15 minutes. Why? Because efficiency is high. Now, if one is 15, this is 60. Yes or no? Yes or no? And this is what we need to understand, right? Okay, so basically, whose diameter will be low will take this time. Okay, another pipe whose diameter is twice will take less time. So B will take 15 minutes, A will take 60 minutes. This is what we need to understand. In how much time they can empty it, right? Now, please understand. You know, if you need to find out A and B together can empty in how much time, you should know the capacity of the tank and efficiency of both of them. Efficiency we know, 4 plus 1 is 5. What is the capacity? So definitely it's 60 into 1 is 60, 15 into 4 is 60, capacity is 60, right? So the time taken, they both the pipe will take to empty the tank is 60 by 5. It is nothing but 12 minutes. Again, if you will open both the pipe, if you will open both the pipe, they can empty the tank in how much time? 12 minutes, and that is the answer of the question. Okay, so if you already watched the video of time and work, you notice that the question of this topic, pipe and cistern, is somehow relatable with the time and work. Okay, and this is the purpose of this video. All right, so in the next one I will try to discuss few more questions from another topic. Bye.